So today we're just gonna do a summer bronzed goddess look. I'm gonna keep it super simple, focus more so on the skin, and just enhance what's already there. When I'm doing makeup, I like to start with the eyes. Close your eyes for me. Now, anytime I'm doing summer look, I like to actually take the bronzer that I'm gonna use and use it on the eye. Because her skin is so beautiful and because she really doesn't need a ton of coverage, I'm not gonna put a lot of coverage. I'm gonna use like a tinted moisturizer just to keep her nice and glowy and keep her natural skin color. Now that we have that blended out, we're gonna set her. We don't want to set too much just because we do kind of want that natural glow and we don't want it to look too powdery, but we do want to set it so it'll stay. As it gets more humid, your makeup will move if you don't set it. So we do need to set it. We just are going to do it in a very subtle way. Now to our favorite part, the bronze. She doesn't need much, but when you apply foundation, in evening the skin, you are going to take some natural color out and you want to put it back in with the makeup. Now we're gonna blush. I like to mix. You definitely don't have to, but I like to do that. And I actually like to take the blush just like I was doing the bronzer, and I like to run my blush brush over the eye as well, just to give a really consistent look. Next step I'm gonna do is highlight. Again, she already kind of has a natural glow. So I'm just gonna add a little to that. I like to use, for someone like her especially, she has a full brow, she really doesn't need much filling in. I like to use a brow mascara. We're gonna go to mascara. I'm gonna keep it pretty simple. Just open for me and look down. Now for lips, I'm gonna keep it pretty neutral. This kind of look would look beautiful with a red if you're open to that, especially in the summer. But today we'll keep it pretty neutral. Set her a final time. You can never really be set enough. I like to bring bronzer and highlight down and even to the neck and the chest area, especially in summer, where you just kind of get super consistent look and everything blends and goes well together. That is the final look.
Thanks for joining us. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. You can also access our content through the FISM app. Download it today by clicking the link below or visit fism.tv to learn more.